Hi, in this video we will discuss about how we can publish the Power BI report from desktop to the Power BI service. The major prerequisite for designing or publishing your Power BI desktop report into the Power BI service that you have an account of the Power BI service or the Microsoft account. When the account is available, then you can move easily your reports into the Power BI service. The first step is that you have to open your Power BI report, and in the top bar menu you can see the publish button. After clicking on the publish button, then you have to require your Power BI service account, and you have to sign in your Power BI service account. Then you have to select your workspace, or if you don't have any workspace, then you have to create for your specific report. Assign your workspace into a specific or the unique name, and then move towards their optional settings of your workspace and select on the save. When you click on the save, then the report will be published on the Power BI service in the My Workspace. To view the report on the service, you have simply click on the open link. After publishing your report, then you have to select your or workspace settings that which you have to provide the access in your organization. You have the multiple options that advanced contact list or accept the default and workspace admins, or you have to add your own specific users or the groups. Here is a live example of the report which we have to apply the solution on our report. That first I have to create the workspace and this add the specific reports to the specific workspace. After creating the workspace, open the workspace and upload the reports, and j- so you just have to browse the data. When after browsing your data, then you have to permission your data source from your Power BI desktop version, that you have moved towards the again your Power BI file, and after clicking the file, then move towards the settings, options and settings. In options and settings, you have to go towards the data source settings. After clicking on the data source settings, a dialog box will appear, and all the sources in this report shown, which is available in this report. Then you have to click on the one by one and change their edit permissions. For example, in this visual, as you can see that here is the select of the edit permissions. Credentials is type, you have to select the anonymous, and then the privacy level is the none. Then you can publish it. Thank you.